the second question states that a driver of a car slams on the brake when he sees a tree blocking the road. When he slams on the brake because he sees a tree blocking the road, it means that he was speeding up already. But the moment he realized that there was a tree in front of him, he stepped on a brake. And stepping on the brake means that the velocity with which it was using before is going to be reduced. That's actually sure. Like if you were to be accelerating at a very high speed before, it will be reduced. That's what it means. They now say that the car slows uniformly within a acceleration of this. The acceleration with which the car slows used to show is minus 5.6 meter per second square. 5.6 minus 5.6 meter per second square. It means this is retardation. For 4.2 seconds, making straight kid mark. They said for the time used was 4.2 seconds, making a straight kid mark of distance of 62.4 meter, landing earlier at the tree. With what speed does the 12 then strike the tree? They now ask us, what is the speed with which the car strike the tree? It means that after everything, the car later hit the tree. From this understanding, you must understand that the moment the car hits the tree, the car will stop. And it means that your final velocity will be zero like that because the car stops. Then your initial velocity is what you are told to find. Now, to find the initial velocity, you are going to use the formula, one of the equations of motion, using x equals to ut plus half at squared. Doing this, your x is going to be 62.4. Your u is going to be unknown into bracket t, which is what? 4.2 seconds, plus 1 over 2 into bracket. What is your e? Minus 5.6. Multiply by, what's your t square? It will be 4.2 square. Multiply by 4.2 square. So now doing this, we have when you multiply this one by u, we have this one is equals to 4.2u plus this one is going to be minus 5.6 multiplied by 4.2 square. 4.2 square, you know, is half at square, because a is what? 5 minus 5.6. T is 4.2 square. 4.2 square will be 70.64. And if you understand it, multiply by minus 5.6, multiply by 5.6, it will be 98.784. 98.784 divided by 2. This is going to be minus, you know, this one has minus, it will now be minus 49.392. That's what it means. Now we have 62.4 here. So now when this one comes here, this one is going to be 62.4 plus 49.392 equals to 4.2 u. Now u now equals to this one divided by this alone. So we now have u to be equals to, when we add this 62.4 plus 49.392, we have 111.792 divided by 4.2. So the answer is going to be 26.6. 617, which is approximately 10.2. So which is 26.62 meter per second. So this is going to be the answer for this. Comment on the section below.